This morning we're going to be looking at your liver, and your liver is the organ that is orchestrating the detox. The liver is often called the project manager because everything that goes into the body goes first to the liver, and everything that comes out of the body comes out under the jurisdiction of the liver. So what we're going to first of all do, have a look at what goes into the body and what the liver does with it.
Feeling tired, bloated, or gaining belly fat might be your liver. In just 14 days, you can fix this and feel amazing again. Today, I'll show you how simple changes to your diet can help your liver heal in just 2 weeks. From what to eat to what to avoid, this video will give you everything you need to feel better fast. Stick around until the end for a surprising tip that'll jumpstart your liver's healing process. Most people don't realize how important the liver is for our health. It helps detoxify our bodies, processes fats, and stores nutrients. When our liver gets overloaded, it can affect how we feel. But don't worry, there's good news. With the right food and some simple changes, you can help your liver heal quickly and easily. Let me show you how. So why should you care about your liver? Your liver is like the body's filter. It helps remove toxins, breaks down fats, and stores important nutrients. If the liver gets too much sugar or unhealthy food, it starts to store fat instead of processing it, which can make you feel tired and bloated. Taking care of your liver with the right foods can increase your energy and improve your health. But first, let's look at what leads to fatty liver. What actually causes fatty liver? The main problem is eating too much sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats. When you consume these, your liver can't keep up and ends up storing fat. This isn't just about eating too much fat, it's about the sugar in our diets. Things like sugary snacks, sodas, and fast food are the biggest culprits. Cutting back on sugar and processed foods is the first step to helping your liver heal. So what can you eat to heal your liver? The best foods for liver health are fresh, whole foods like leafy greens. Think spinach and kale, and vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. These foods help the liver detox and process fats. Dandelion greens are another great choice. They help your liver break down fats better. Eating these liver-loving foods is a simple way to give your body the support it needs. Here's a super easy drink to start your day. Try drinking warm water with lemon and fresh ginger first thing in the morning. Lemon helps your body detox, while ginger reduces inflammation and helps your liver process fat. This simple drink will support your liver and make you feel better. It's a quick, easy way to give your liver the boost it needs every day. To wrap things up, here's a spice that can really help improve your liver health. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation and supports liver detox. If you ever heard that inflammation is bad for your body, it's especially harmful to your liver. Adding turmeric to your meals or drinks can help keep things running smoothly. Including turmeric in your diet will help calm inflammation and support your liver's natural detox process. By following these simple steps, you can start feeling better fast. In just 2 weeks, your energy will increase, your digestion will improve, and your body will start to feel lighter. The best part? It's all about small changes that anyone can do. You don't need to go on a crazy diet or do anything complicated. Just focus on these easy-to-follow steps. So to recap, cut out processed sugars, eat liver-friendly foods like leafy greens and vegetables, drink lemon and ginger water, and add turmeric to your meals. If you follow these simple steps, you can begin to reverse fatty liver and feel amazing in just 14 days. The change starts now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and follow us for more easy health tips. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below about your journey to better liver health. See you soon.